Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. Welcome back to another episode of Money in Minutes. Here we are at the open and we have gapped down. We have gapped down. Now notice that this is a consolidated state that we gapped down from. Okay, just pay attention to that. Now the first problem, I hesitated and missed the elevator down. As soon as this red candle took out the green candle, that was my cue to continue down. But sometimes I'll leave like this purple line was my stop loss, and I had it looking like a level, so that threw me off. But nonetheless, we came down, we hit the bottom. My first entry was this power bar right here, and I put a stop under the candle. As we took out all of these red candles, I added one contract. So now we're 2 contracts in. However, I'm a little skeptical in this moment because I'm trading against the 21 period moving average, which is pointing down. But we have a double bottom in front of us, and the second low is higher than the previous low. So we have a higher low, a tail bar, and then a power bar. So we're continuing to move up. 2 contracts in, continuing to move up. We're looking for 20%. We're looking for 20%. 20% is a special level for me. I love the 20% trade because I feel like the way I enter trades, I typically get 20% returns when my entry is solid. Okay? When my entry is solid. I don't know if that's like I can't explain it to you. I can't explain why that's working, but it seems to be working for me. And if it's not broke, I'm not trying to fix it. Okay, so we're continuing to move up. I'm feeling good. You see my man jamming. Okay, we're moving up. Now, this was my previous stop loss that I put, and you also notice that it's having a little trouble pushing past it. The dotted line was a different high, so I took profit at 24%. Okay, it continued up, so I missed my opportunity. I shouldn't have took everything, but nonetheless, we're in a new trade now. The direction down, the event is a tail bar. I got a tail bar from the new high. Most new highs fail, so I got a tail bar from the new high. I entered, and my stop loss is above this particular candle. This is one of my better trades, not gonna lie. This is one of my better trades where I was just on point. All right, notice that red candle in the middle is about halfway from where we took off to where the my stop loss is. Just keep that in mind. Don't let that go over your head. That red tail bar in the middle is about at the 50% mark. Don't let that go over your head. All right, so here we are moving down. And again, what percentage are we looking for? Exactly, 20%. You said it with me. You said it with me, so I want to keep that up. Now, I'm doing a good job of placing my stop loss on the chart, but I'm not doing the greatest job of respecting it. I'm trying to navigate my mindset when it comes to perfectionism and my ego, because I don't like to lose. And that's probably the biggest challenge that I'm having personally, is my relationship with losing. I know intellectually, but I don't really follow that. Okay, so we're looking to retest the 21 period simple moving average. I'm used to saying the 20, but this one is actually the 21. It's actually the 21. When I want you to look back at some of those videos from 2025. I really walked y'all through. I read all of this to you. I'm not pretending to be a guru. I'm a student first, and I read all of this to you from reading the Learning Center and the apps that I have been using, specifically Webull. I love the writing in the Webull app. That was very helpful to me. Also, I was able to learn a few things from the Learning Center and Robinhood's app as well. And then, of course, there are a few YouTube channels that have been pivotal in my understanding. Shout out to OV. Shout out to Pandreas. All right, a lot of these people helped me wrap my mind around options contracts, or technical analysis. And then there's a lot of people that's just talking because they have lips. But that's why I'm here trying to show you guys what I'm learning as I'm learning. All right, so boom, here's another opportunity to add. I considered it, but I just hesitated. That's something I got to stop hesitating. I have to have faith. I have to believe that I'm him. I'm really him. But right now, I'm not all the way convicted. So we're going to continue to push forward until that conviction reaches an all-time high. All right, so here we are getting some reaction off the 8 simple period, the simple moving average, the 8 SMA. Getting a little bit of reaction off the 8 SMA. This is a beautiful double bottom. And now we're getting a pullback at the top because we made a new high. And most new highs fail, according to my mentor. All right, according to my mentors, a few new highs often fail. They might not always collapse, but they often fail. And now we're looking to see, now we're looking to see if this 21 period simple moving average, this golden line at 679.10 is going to catch this falling trend. All right, as the red candles continue to fall, we're looking to see what moving average, if any, is going to catch it. And then once it gets caught, we want to see a green candle take out the high of the red candle that was caught in the pocket, so to speak. All right, all the while we're looking for 20% because we're not greedy. We can always enter another trade, but we want to lock in 20% gains. If you can do, and these are micro scalps, so if you can do 20% trades in a day, you just doubled your money. All right, 5 times 20 is 100. So you need 5 trades to double your money. 20%, here we go. What we doing? Look at me, playing around. I'm torn between, I don't even know. Okay, here we go. Took profit at 20%. Could have took profit at 22%. Peace and love.
Hey there, future trading champions. If you're tired of feeling lost in the charts and want to take your trading game to the next level, my Patreon is the answer. Join me for exclusive access to my most insightful chart trading videos, a swing trading checklist, and a dedicated series that breaks down the art of charting for beginners. Plus, you'll get entry to my video vault and the chance to ask your burning questions directly in the Stock Market Daddy Strategy Room. Ready to level up your trading? Let's dive in. Link in the description. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich.